Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and tutorials. Today, we're diving into iDrive cloud storage, exploring its features, usage experience, and overall value. Find links to the product in the description below. iDrive presents a comprehensive cloud storage solution that seamlessly integrates data backup, file syncing, and sharing capabilities, making it a great option for both individual users and businesses. Its robust security features and adaptable nature position it as a leading choice for those seeking to safeguard their data across various devices. A cornerstone of iDrive is its versatile backup functionality, encompassing both cloud and local device backups. This hybrid approach empowers users to back up data from a wide array of devices, including PCs, Macs, iPhones, Android smartphones, and even network drives, all converging within a centralized cloud space. The platform boasts continuous, automatic backups, ensuring your data is perpetually protected without requiring any manual intervention. Furthermore, iDrive supports file versioning, enabling you to retrieve previous iterations of files as needed, an invaluable feature for businesses managing frequent file modifications. iDrive prioritizes security with robust 256-bit AES encryption, employed both in transit and at rest, effectively shielding your data from unauthorized access. For users desiring an even higher level of security, iDrive offers a private encryption key option, meaning not even iDrive itself can access your files, granting you absolute control over your data. iDrive offers a range of generous storage plans, commencing at 5 TB, catering to users with substantial data needs or businesses requiring extensive file storage. A particularly compelling feature is iDrive's capacity to back up an unlimited number of devices under a single account, a significant advantage for families or small businesses aiming to simplify their backup procedures. Beyond backup, iDrive facilitates file synchronization and sharing, enabling seamless file syncing across devices and secure sharing with others. The accompanying mobile apps are well designed and intuitive, providing convenient access to your data while on the move. In conclusion, with its comprehensive features, robust security, and competitive pricing, iDrive delivers a reliable, secure, and affordable cloud storage solution for both individuals and businesses. For a more detailed look at plans and features, be sure to check the links in the description below.